Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog.
Hi beautiful people, it's your girl Karoenji here again, and welcome back to another video. Today I want us to refresh the bedroom together, and I'm starting by removing all the dirty beddings. And I began with my baby's coats. I had cleaned the bumpers some few weeks ago, and that they are not yet dirty, so I will just change her bed sheets. I will not also clean her blanket because I changed it some previous days. So I will just change the bed sheet, and that will be it. So I will also do further cleaning, maybe of the windows, remove the curtains, and also change my beddings.
Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung with overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you. All I wanted was
The next thing I did was just removing these curtains, and they were not very dirty. I'm just confirming if they are dirty because they normally touch the floor. And let me say, I just wanted to just dust them a little bit because they were not even as dirty as I thought. I will later on go with my Sufficient glass and tile cleaner, and I will clean my windows. This is the most difficult window to clean in the whole house because of that outer part. The outer part is an empty space, so I'm not usually able to clean it. And I normally clean the inner part, which really gets dirty because it's somehow next to the road.
winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh.
This is how dirty that place was. I think I should have even first wiped with water, and that is what I exactly now did. I went with my super bright to just try and clean them before coming in with my glass and window cleaner again. This place is quite dusty. It never appears dusty, but I think the fact that it is just next to an empty space which is near the road, it just gets dirty very fast.
All I wanted was you. All I wanted was you.
If you realize, there's a very little space in my bedroom because of how squeezed things are, and for that reason I was just stepping on my bed when cleaning because there isn't any space in between the bed and the window.
Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got.
For the outer part, I just usually go in with that whip to just clean up the dust because I cannot use water because my hands even can't reach that outer part.
Bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt
Later on, I just went ahead to change my beddings. And let me say, if you've not watched the previous video, please make sure you do. I'm going to be using the new beddings I thrifted from Kamukonji. And I want to give a review of the same because I'm editing this video after I've already used them. They are very good. The bed sheets are cotton and my woolen duvet is serving me very well.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
So I'll have to clean this load of clothes. These are the duvet. I've removed the bed sheets, the curtains, the everything. Actually, just everything. I'm going to hand wash my duvet. I don't usually take it to a dry cleaner, but it's quite hectic to clean a woolen duvet, but I'm going to show you how I normally do it. We are going to do this cleaning motivation video together. Hopefully, I'm going to motivate someone to just clean up their space as they prepare for Christmas.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
The last thing I did was cleaning my floor, and it's already clean, by the way. I'm just sweeping my carpet because I had taken it to the car wash a few days ago. So it's sparkling clean, as you can see. I'm just wiping off some particles that were on the floor. In case you have realized some change of clothes, I just realized that this part of the video just disappeared and I had to redo it. I don't know where it went, and I don't know why nowadays I just shoot some parts of the video and they suddenly disappear. For this part without the carpet, I will just come and wash using some water and some washing powder and a rag, and that will be it. So at this point, let me thank you all for sticking around. Thank you for always coming by to support my content. I love you so much, and may God bless you.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Bye bye guys. Let me see you in my next one.